The unsinkable ship, the unbelievable theory. Everyone knows the story of the Titanic, the unsinkable ship that hit an iceberg and sank on its first journey. But what if the ship that sank wasn't the Titanic at all? What if it was a completely different ship, secretly swapped to commit the biggest fraud in history? A ship in trouble. The White Star Line, the company that owned the Titanic, also had another ship called the Olympic. Just before the Titanic's first voyage, the Olympic was badly damaged in an accident. Repairing it was very expensive, and they couldn't claim insurance easily. This put the company in a very bad financial situation. A secret plan? This is where the swap theory begins. Some people believe that to save money and claim insurance, the White Star Line secretly swapped the damaged Olympic with the new Titanic. They quickly repaired the Olympic, now disguised as the Titanic, and sent it to sea, planning for an accident to claim a huge insurance payout. But things went terribly wrong. Look at the evidence. Witnesses claim the portholes, windows, on the ship that sank looked more like the Olympic. And many rich, important people who had booked tickets for the Titanic suddenly cancelled their trip at the last minute. Did they know something was going to happen? Was this a planned disaster that went out of control? A conspiracy or a mistake? The truth about the Titanic remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Was it a tragic accident? In the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Facts and History for more shocking secrets from the past.